Wonderful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home in the Homestead. Light and bright with crown molding and tall ceilings, this home welcomes you into its open floor plan. Generous kitchen with new appliances, Corian countertops, an abundance of cabinetry, and large pantry. The master bedroom has an ensuite bath with large shower and walk-in closet. The guest room is nice size too and both have new flooring, no carpet. The patio is just right for 2 chairs to enjoy your morning coffee. The HOA fees include insurance, from the study out, exterior maintenance, outdoor watering, lawn care, excluding back flower beds, and pest service bi-yearly. The common areas consist of a pool and clubhouse. Additional updates are new compressor, new coil, new garage door opener, and some new lighting. Come see. Come by.